Do you ever feel like sometimes clients just don't take your advice? You've given them some real sound bits of information that they really need, a piece of advice, a recommendation, only to find that they didn't go and do it. And maybe later on, there's ramifications to not doing it. And you kind of bite your lip thinking, well, if only you'd have done what I said, but they didn't. Now, one of the main reasons behind that might be because you gave that advice away for free. That might seem weird, but actually there's an age-old expression that says, when they pay attention. And I like to think the more they pay attention. Sometimes free advice just isn't treated in the same way as paid for advice would be. So my recommendation is to reposition the way that you're going to give advice, to invite them in to sit down for a proper discussion to explore the best way forward for them. And then obviously you have a fee for that.